So today we're going to try to make something similar to this image. First, we're going to build our background directly over the gel plate, and then we will transfer an image over the background. So yeah, let's see how it works. So we need a gel plate, a brayer to spread the paint, some acrylic paints, and I'm going to use this drawing paper. I really like the texture and the off-white color it has. It's the same paper I use for this gel print. We are also going to use some text I printed with my laser printer. You can basically use any text you want. It's going to enhance the background. And as far as the image goes, it's a good idea to have images with a lot of white space, so the background shows through. These are some of my original photos, which I edited for this process. So let's begin with the text. And I'm going to use this Amsterdam paint for the text. So I'm just gonna spread it on the plate. And since I have too much paint, I'm just removing and wiping off the excess paint. Okay, so now I'm pressing down the text. And now I'm gonna let the text dry on the plate. Next, I'm gonna build some color over the text. Okay, so now the background is pretty much ready, and we are going to try to lift it off the plate and onto the paper. And I'm going to use this yellow paint to lift all the layers. Now it's time to choose which image I should transfer. I guess I'm gonna go with the tree. It will be a nice addition to my tree series. Before printing the image, I'm going to wipe the plate clean, and I'm just using baby wipes for that. For the image, I'm going to use this dark purple paint. Now I'm placing the image face down and applying some pressure with my hands. And now I'm gonna lift the image onto the paper. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in my books and online classes, check out the links below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.